It's your favorite lash girly, and in this video we're going to be testing the cheapest DIY eyelash extension kit in the world. I was scrolling on SHEIN the other day and lo and behold I find an eyelash extension kit that was only $2. Yes, $2. I was a little skeptical because the photo didn't show that it included everything you'll need, so I thought maybe only the clusters will come. I took a risk. I bought the $2 lash extensions and it arrived today within 3 days. Not only did it come with a ton of reusable clusters, but they also came with a bond, a seal, a remover, and a tweezer. Basically a whole kit, everything you need right here. Ooh, okay, they're kind of soft. They are different lengths, so they go from 10 to 16. I'm going to be using sizes 16, 14, and 12. The tweezers look like this. I'm not very impressed with that. I don't really like these kind of tweezers whenever I'm applying lash extensions, but it'll do. The bond and seal and the fast remover. And yes, some of the clusters are missing. I'm not too shocked about that. I think it's kind of to be expected when you're buying things from SHEIN. The clusters do have a thick black band, which personally not my favorite. I just hope it doesn't bother my eyes too much because that can get kind of uncomfortable. Let's apply them. I already know it's going to be a pain using this tweezer, so I'm just going to use this to make the process a little quicker. I'm applying some bond in the outer corners. Lift up the lid and apply. Add another cluster. Add another cluster. Let's add one more. I'm going to add a little more bond in the inner corners. Oh no, it moved. See, the bond is not very good, but we'll just work with it. One last cluster. Ooh, okay, they're looking kind of clumpy. Let's try to separate and fix it up a little. Ah! It's in my eye! That was weird. Apparently the bond is just not strong enough. The lashes are moving around. Oh. I'm gonna add another one. What a mess. They don't feel great on. They feel kind of pokey and scratchy. See, you can tell it's not a good bond when you get a clumpy mess like this. And no matter how much I separate them or try to really work things out, they just don't look very flattering. So what we're gonna do is apply some more clusters just to give it more volume. Maybe hide some of those imperfections. This time around I'm going to be adding the bond onto the cluster just at the bottom. Apply. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this took way too long. But at least they look a little better now that I added some more clusters. They feel very heavy, like it's just weighing down my eyeball. You know what? The clusters may not even be the problem. It's probably just this bond. So hard to work with. It's like sticky. It tangles up all the clusters. Not good. Now we're supposed to go in with the seal. But I don't know if I want to use it because I'm kind of worried that the seal might ruin the hard work that we just put in and make him look even worse. I guess I have to. Let's seal everything in. Oh goodness. Okay. and now it just looks like a wet mess. Yeah, I tried. I just feel like they look worse and worse. My instinct was correct. We should have not added that seal. What can I say? It may be the cheapest DIY lash kit in the world, but it's the hardest to work with. The results aren't very great, honestly. I can definitely see myself continuing to use these. They're not that bad, especially if you use a good bond. And I really like the way I layered it. I feel like it adds more volume and everything. I just wish this masterpiece wouldn't have to be ruined by a crappy bond and seal. Now, normally I would say I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and I'll be right back. But this time I'm just not gonna say that because I really don't want to do the other eye. I'm gonna go remove these as soon as I can. They don't feel great on. Weighing down my eyelid, scratching my eyelid. Let's still do a quick look down check just because it's supposed to look seamless. But then again, let's be honest, they're not bad for just $2. But anyways, I'm gonna go take these off now. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend it here with me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!